welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Maxine. Now, as you know, it's Maxine's Pum Pum Night. That's a night when she has, her little dance and stuff going on. And so she came out tonight really, really good. She changed us for several times, in different swimsuits, that is. And she's having a wonderful time over there. But she has some things to say. So, to hear what Maxine had to say, go and watch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, have yourself a wonderful day.
In jet lag, so watch nothing tonight, laugh at me. In Ghana in bed, so me can't chat any fuck room me want chat right now. Laugh at me. The poor thing tired telling on myself. In gonna sleep. So me can't chat anything with my sexy self. Why? Me say, you Beverly, you're out of order. If you come over here, they can tell me, say, me king come like Jello. You see Jello over here? Me can't believe you come over here and call me Jello. Where Jello they go? Where Jello going? Where is Jello going? Nice and clean. Pretty, pretty me all over. Peters, what are you talking about, Peters? I'm just having fun. I am just having fun tonight. I feel nice. My heart is clean. I'm just happy. I am just happy. You mean nobody ain't giving me no super chat tonight? Just Zelle? Just Cash App? You're not making nobody see you giving me a nice little money on the screen? Huh? People, you see when you put the money on the screen, he burn them. He burn them. Here they make sure go over there, they call a car. When you going home. Why? You don't want me in Jamaica? I love it here in Jamaica. This is home. What do you mean when we going home? This is home. I am a born. I know I spend more time in America than Jamaica, but I am a born. Right, I'm a born. This is home. Soon. Soony, soony. Soony, 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 soony, soony. Oh my God, I thank you guys for the thumbs up. Guys, thank you so much for the thumbs up. YouTube people, come on, thumbs up the live. Thumbs up the live. Come on, guys, give me some purple hearts. Send up some purple heart, guys. Send up some purple hearts. Thumbs up. Nice, nice, beautiful. YouTube, you're doing fine. You're doing so great, YouTube. Love you guys. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much. Wow. Hey, up here, admire me, admire myself, Up here, admire me, admire myself. When I look and say me a 60-year-old and there's no bump, there's no bite, there's nothing. Sexy. Me say, so when we go up on the beach, oh my God. Me not tell nobody my age, I swear to you, I'm not telling no, if you don't know me age, so you don't know know you out a tree, come in and tell you. No, tell you no. We meet one guy, nice guy, young guy too, because he's saying young. They drive one nice Mercedes van, one BMW van, into Juta. That's the only reason why I trust him, because he drive Juta. So he's like, oh my God, you know you're trouble though. Why you walking on the street? You know you're trouble. From see you, see trouble. I said, do you really need trouble right now? Oh Lord. The boy have more trouble more than me. Which bath suit may I have on? I think I had on a 2-piece. I think I had on this 2-piece. Lord, low battery. I think I had on this 2-piece. So tomorrow, I'm going to do this 2-piece. So it going to reach up here so we cover my belly a little bit. I say me have bath suit for days. You know, say me go to Fontana. And I went there and the people them in a Fontana, they love me, they love me. You see the manager in there, she order one whole set out of bath suit for me. Cause me tell her, I say me no like the one them where me like these, cause at Fontana me buy them here. So they gonna order some for me. She already put in the order. So tomorrow when we go down there, me go see her how much they get for me. Yes, me gonna make a bath suit for them. Me take my picture and me show them. And they say, rotted. Huh? Me have fans over there. Big up to Fontana. Big up to the worker them in a Fontana. Tomorrow they go see me. Big up to the workers them in a Fontana. Love you guys. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much. And say, Maxine, why feel your confidence there up there? So I say, oh yes, I love my skin. Love it, love it, love it. I love my body. You know, I've never think of doing surgery. People tell me that I need to go lift my butt. I don't need to go lift no butt. I'm good with my butt. Don't you think my butt is good? I'm good. They say if you do a lot of backers, your butt will come up. So if you all alone, you don't go do surgery. Tap do surgery, your backers you know if you do. You know, Maxine, behave yourself. Maxine, behave your damn self at time for you go on your bed. Nothing wrong with your butt. Not a thing. Me not do nothing. Me breast them alright. Me breast them no long. Omar suck till him a 6-year-old. Yes. Omar suck breast till him a 6-year-old. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bowers. That's another family member. Yes. That's another family member. Oh, for me family big. Bowers. Not even they tell you the name them. Wally. Me say, in a me whole lifetime, me never know say I saw things very nice. No, sir. Me when me they tell you say Stella get fair groove back down here. Stella no have nothing against me. Not one thing Stella got against me. Hey, you see the nice trapping man them. Them are no man, you know. Them are young little boy them. You can't tell so them a young boy. But them strong. Me say them strong. Eh? Any man who can lift me up, you know them strong. I mean just lift up and cross over there, sir. No, sir. 13, come here. Me know you sit down right so you are matlock. Me know you sit down here so 13. When a man can lift you up. 13, I know nothing pretty. 13, you have to get rid of that sore foot there. Because of the sore foot, they stop you. and your mouth they get way too much like you have diarrhea. And you think you know everything and you don't know one shit. 13. Let me ask you one question. Who live which part you say me there? What have awning? Who sell 99 awning and all of that? What you talk about 13? You crazy? Lord, you crazy for real. Laugh at me. 13 says she know which part me there. And me live at the woman house we got the what sell awning to 99 and all of that bullshit. I don't know what she chat about. She just say mumble. But 13, me they tell you. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to the beach. And I'm going to be wearing these. Leave her make she talk. Okay. Okay, make she talk. As so she talk. And make herself look big. Oh, 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 oh. I know you down there, so. I know you there the woman house with it. Talk, you talk, you're 13. La, 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 la. Lord have mercy. So them look me say. Barbie, shut up here, laugh me and laugh. Because I don't know what the fuck she a chat about. Me don't know what she a chat about. Me don't know. Me say when me hear her, me say what the fuck wrong with her? Like she know everything, you know. But she don't realize that people get the drift right now, right? That you're so mouth. You would tell pure fabricated lies. You mad like a shanty. Man V. Oh my God. Man V is a liar. How they feeling of themselves that they are exposed. All of them being exposed, right? For being a liar. All of them. They not think say full time for them stop. No, they not stop. Then they right over there they look. Look at 13. Tap, 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 tap. 13. 13. Look, 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 look. 13. You said me have tissue. There is no tissue, 13. There is no tissue. See there? No tissue. Clean like a whistle. When you will can come out and do this, then you don't talk to me. You can't do it. You can't talk to me. You can't show up on yourself. You can't even show no foot. Much more no hand. Me not tough like a matlock. You know see what matlock tough? Matlock tough you're afraid. And down and foot they so fine like a whisk. In favor of Maga dog. Lord of mercy. On the way see see the short set them here. See the short set them here. This is the shorts. And this is the top. And they come in a white, the pink, the black, and the red. See it there? You see it? We have the mask, the bath suit, the tights, the tights, the shoes, the mask, we have the whole set out. The black one in this. The black one. Alright, it said 5 minutes to go. Guys, have a wonderful night. I don't want my life cut off on YouTube and I don't save it. Although me not make no money off it tonight. But I don't really want it to go. Have a wonderful night, everybody. Be blessed. Thank you so much for joining me. See you tomorrow, same place. Have a wonderful night. Thanks to everyone who